is what the finished product looks like right here. And then we supplement a little bit on top. This has ground vegetables, plain yogurt, organic eggs, cottage cheese, and this has ground salmon in it. So we just use a little bit of that as supplementation. And then those are completed containers right there.